Welcome to Podcast Name, where we dive deep into the world of technology, innovation, and creativity. Today, we're exploring a topic that's been on the minds of many developers and tech enthusiasts: GitHub and its powerful suite of tools that are revolutionizing the coding landscape. Sound cue, upbeat intro music fades out. So let's kick things off with a basic question. What exactly is GitHub? Well, if you're anything like me, you might have thought of it as just a place to store your code. But it's so much more than that. GitHub is an AI-powered developer platform that facilitates collaboration among developers, enhances security, and automates workflows. It's like having a trusty assistant who keeps track of everything you need, allowing you to focus on creating. You know, one of the standout features of GitHub is Copilot. Imagine having an AI buddy. Wait, is that too creepy? That helps you write better code. It's almost like having a co-pilot in an airplane, guiding you through turbulence and helping you land smoothly. With Copilot, developers can receive intelligent code suggestions right as they type, which can significantly speed up the coding process. Now I'm curious, how many of you listeners have tried using code suggestions in your projects? Did it feel like a game changer? On the topic of security, GitHub also offers tools to find and fix vulnerabilities. I think we can all agree that in today's world, security is more crucial than ever. Just think about it. You're developing an amazing app, and one small vulnerability could leave it open to hackers. GitHub steps in here by automating security checks, which not only saves developers time, but also helps protect projects from potential threats. It's like having a fortress around your code. Now, let's talk about automation. GitHub Actions lets developers automate workflows, whether that's running tests, deploying code, or managing issues. It's kind of like setting up a robot to handle the repetitive tasks you dread doing, freeing you up so you can innovate instead of getting bogged down in the minutia. Can you imagine a world where you no longer have to manually track your progress? It sounds liberating, right? Speaking of tracking work, have you ever felt overwhelmed by project management? GitHub has solutions for planning and tracking work too, which can make life so much easier for teams working on the same project. It's like having a shared calendar that everyone understands and can contribute to. The issue management tools help keep everyone on the same page, and discussions in GitHub ensure that no good idea is left unheard. Sound cue. Soft music plays briefly. Now, let's pivot a bit and talk about the GitHub community. One of the things that really stands out to me is the spirit of collaboration. The README project lets developers share their stories, learn from one another, and support open-source initiatives. It's this community feel that really nurtures innovation and creativity. How fulfilling is it to contribute to something that can help others? And speaking of giving back, did you know that GitHub Sponsors allows you to fund open-source developers? It's a fantastic way to support those who create tools and libraries that we all use. Just think about all the awesome software we use every day. It's incredible to give back to those creators. As we wrap up today's discussion, I hope you gain some insights into how GitHub is not just a platform for coding, but a vibrant ecosystem that enhances collaboration, creativity, and security for developers everywhere. So whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, I encourage you to explore these tools and see how they can elevate your projects. What will your next project look like with the power of GitHub at your fingertips? Thanks for tuning in to Podcast Name. Join us next time for more tech insights and interesting conversations.